There are 5 of the most popular slimes in our shop this week. First up, we got our DIY snow cone. This DIY set is scented like fruit punch and comes with 4 clear slimes so you can assemble your own snow cone. Then we got blueberry sugar. This 2-tone Bingsu bead slime is scented like fresh blueberries and comes with the cutest leaf charm on top. After that, we got watermelon gummy fizz. This snow fizz slime is scented like watermelon sour patch and comes as a set so you can assemble it however you like. Next up is Mermaid Magic. It's scented like orange watermelon and is super refreshing. It comes with the cutest mermaid tail and a packet of sprinkles, plus 2 clear slimes for you to put on yourself. And last, but definitely not least, we got Lemon Tart. This slime is one of my favorites in the new drop, and it's scented like a delicious lemon dessert.